Good Monday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas Weather. Let's talk a little bit about what we're going to go over in today's forecast. We're going to take a look at, today's forecast, the 4th of July forecast, and we're going to talk a little bit about the tropics. And we're also going to take a look at the 6-day forecast as always. So starting off here, let's show you what's currently ongoing here across the area. Temperatures warming up nicely already as of 8:30 or that's when these temperatures come in. It's almost near 9 a.m. now as the time of recording this, but temperatures are warming up already into the 80s. It's upper 70s and such here as well. Could be seeing some showers potentially across the area. That may be what we're seeing, but ground reports is what we really know if that's what is occurring or not. We did have some showers potentially up here earlier near the D Queen and Derricks area. Those have since kind of basically just falling apart and such. And if you continue to look across the area here, could be very well not seeing showers down there. It really depends on what you're necessarily seeing. That's something that we'll have to really see. But taking a look at satellite, you can see some cloudy skies, and some fog possible this morning. That trend's going to continue, but we will see mostly sunny skies throughout the day, with a few clouds here or there, as you can tell. Real quickly, though, while we're sitting on this topic, let's take a quick look at the tropics and show you a little bit about what we're seeing down in the tropics with Hurricane Bell down here as well. And let me take this off of this real quick and just show you a little more about what's going on with this hurricane and such here as well. Once again, give me 1 second. Let me pull this up. Let's take all this off real quick. Look at that. That is a beast of a hurricane. It's currently going over some of these islands here. It's currently a Category 4, and just look at that. That is just that's a strong hurricane, and you could see it here as it's continuing to move over. It is a Category 4 at this time. You can see the eye wall there going over some of these islands and such here as well. But let's take a look at where it's going. It's still going to be forecasted to be a Category 4, going to go south of the Puerto Rico, Hades, and Dominican Republic area, but they may get clipped by some of that area. But it's supposed to weaken here as a Category 4 down to a Category 3 and 2, and continue off in this general area here, crossing over the Yucatan area and such, and going to be a tropical storm or should be a tropical storm as it enters the Gulf. There's still a little talks about what could occur after this. This is around. This is, I think, the timing on this is going to be as we get a little closer to this weekend and such. But as it does that, where does it go after this? There was some potential idea that it could potentially move up towards the Texas area, but today it's kind of trending more of it's going to go straight into the Mexico area. We'll have to wait and see. This is the official track from the National Hurricane Center. So what occurs after this? Once again, as we get closer, we'll start to get a better idea and such. But it looks right now that it could potentially go in towards the Mexico area here at this current time. There is also, let's talk about some other outlooks. This isn't the only area we're watching. There's an area in the Pacific, and also there's an area off over here within the next 7 days of medium development right behind this hurricane as well. And I'm pretty sure we did have another area here that I think we did get a tropical depression out of that, or a tropical system, but another hurricane. Hurricane number 2 on the year, another system number 2 on the year there as well. So that's taking a look at the tropics. But man, what a hurricane down there that we're seeing in that area and such there as well. Real quickly, let's go ahead and get back to today's forecast. As you can tell, forecasted highs going to be a little cooler, but still right there around where we've been for the most part. Highs in the lower to mid 90s, mid to upper 90s, with down there across Texarkana, Magnolia, and El Dorado reaching the 97 to 98 degrees mark. Heat index values are going to be a little higher across far southern Arkansas. Hot Springs, Mena area, those northern areas, they're not going to be really big, I guess you could say, headlines. But as we head into the later part of this week, those heat index values do return across most of the area again. But Texarkana still has a heat index value of potentially 109 to 110 degrees. El Dorado 103, Prescott 102. So some areas will reach that 100-degree mark for heat index values. Once again, heat advisories are out for the Little River, Miller County area, that Ashdown, Foreman, Texarkana, Falk area for today. As we go into this afternoon and evening, we do have that 10% chance of some, isolated showers or two. We do have those forecasted overnight lows with overnight lows right there around 70 degrees in the lower to mid 70s, but right there in the upper 60s and such there as well. So pretty much where we're usually at for this time of year, with overnight lows around 70 degrees. A little cooler today, but that's going to quickly change as we head into the area-wide 6-day forecast. Sunny skies look to continue. That trend looks to continue throughout at least Thursday. We do have some small rain chances on Wednesday and Thursday for those afternoon showers and such that you may have to watch for, but not expecting a whole lot on that side of things. As you can see, temperatures easily getting close to the 100-degree mark as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and potentially Thursday. We could cool down some on Thursday, but I really think for the most part it's going to stay very hot and humid. That trend looks to continue throughout this time frame with overnight lows around the mid 70s, around 75 degrees. Sunny skies look likely, mostly sunny on 4th of July. With hot conditions, but then as you look into Friday and Saturday, rain chances do return in the forecast, spotty rain chances with 40 to 30% chance of rain. Mostly sunny skies on Friday, turning more to partly cloudy skies with those chances of thunderstorms. And as you can see, forecasted high temperatures will be right there around 93 or in the lower 90s, and right there around 90 degrees there on Saturday there as well. So thankfully a little cooler potentially there, still in the 90s, but a little cooler potentially as we head into this weekend. Rain chances, though, do look to return in that weekend, spotty rain chances. So 4th of July looks good right now. We'll keep you updated on that, and but some rain chances could return into that weekend time frame there as well. And as always, big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Be on the lookout for more updates. We'll keep you updated on that hurricane down there and any more. I know we have people at summertime, people going cruises, trips and such of that nature, and we'll keep you updated on all that. Make sure to tune in to the Facebook page for more information there, as we can post we post a lot of information over there as well. And be on the lookout for more of these video forecasts as we head into the rest of this week. These will be out in the morning, hopefully. And as always, have a good rest of your Monday. And once again, stay hydrated, stay cool. It is that time of year where it is hot. It's going to be dry for a bit there as well. But some isolated afternoon rain chances and some rain chances could return as we head into this weekend, as we flip the script, hopefully, on the weather there this weekend, and get us some more rain chances like we seen Sunday. So hopefully that trend continues. We'll be watching it closely, and as always, have a good rest of your Monday, and thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.